Follow our tutorial for a correct assembly of the swing door. Tools required for assembly: low expansion polyurethane foam, hammer, cross screwdriver, meter, silicone. Subsequently, we check the internal measurement of the subframe, then remove the bottom knob on the door. Now let's insert carefully the door in the wall hole, blocking it with wedges I. Then we mount to the supplied handle. We remove the gaskets from the frame to allow the insertion of the screws. We recommend fixing the door to the false frame by inserting the screws behind the gasket. We also recommend to insert the screws behind the counterplate to avoid visible hardware, and above all for a more orderly assembly. We insert the gasket and test the operation of our door. We carefully fill the voids around the frame with foam and carefully cut the wire covers. Then we put the silicone in the joint of the architrave. Finally, all we have to do is fit the trims and enjoy our swing door.